Bonjour, how are you doing? Today we are going to learn Les Adjectifs possessive, the possessive adjectives. At first, I will ask 10 questions which you will have to answer. Then you will learn Les Adjectifs possessive. What are the possessive adjectives? The adjectives which you use to express the possession over something. For example, my books, her house, etc. The books belong to me. I possess the books and she possesses the house. So my, your, his, her, their, etc. All of them are adjective possessive, the possessive adjectives. All of them may sound like pronouns, but they are possessive adjectives. Never confuse between adjective possessive and pronoun possessive. They both are different. If you have something on your mind, do not forget to share your comments down in this comments section. If you have not subscribed yet to my channel, what are you waiting for? Do subscribe and it's totally free. Press the small bell button to get the notifications of my upcoming videos. Links are given below in the description. If you like my video, smash that like button. Share my videos with your friends who are learning French or are enthusiastic about French language like you. If you have not seen my video on adjective demonstrative, press on this I button. Here's the 10 questions for you. Translate them into French. Dash livre, my book. Dash maison, her houses. Dash jardin, their garden. Dash fleur, my flower. Dash carte, her map. Dash carte, again, his map. Dash oiseau, his bird. Dash cuisine, our kitchen. Dash chat, your cat. Formal you. Dash chat, your cat. Again, you will have to use informal you. Now let's learn Les Adjectifs possessive. Watch till the end of this video and find out the answers for the questions, and also I will show you a very important table which once you can understand, you will never make a mistake while using Les Adjectifs possessive. Adjectives qualify nouns and they change according to the nouns that they qualify. You know very well that in French there are two genders, masculine and feminine, and all nouns are considered as either masculine or feminine. Let's take some nouns and let's see how these adjectives work. Table, it's a feminine singular noun. Oiseau, it's a singular noun starting with a vowel. Chaise, it's a feminine noun which is singular. Parapluie, it is masculine and it is a singular noun. Livre, it is a plural noun. Take a look at this. Ton, ta, ton, te. All of them mean your. For all of them whom you address tu, it refers to the pronoun tu. If you have not seen my video on subject pronouns, here's the I button for you. You can watch this anytime. Ton is placed before a masculine singular noun. Ta is placed before a feminine singular noun. Ton again is placed before any singular noun which starts with a vowel, and te is placed in front of any noun which is plural. The adjectives depends on the nouns that they qualify. Adjectives can change according to the noun that they are qualifying. If the noun is masculine singular, the adjective will be masculine singular. If the noun is feminine singular, the adjective will also be feminine singular. If the noun is starting with a vowel, the adjective will behave likewise. And if the noun is plural, the adjective will also be plural. So, the adjective follow the nouns blindly according to its gender and its number. And adjective possessive is not an exception to this. If you don't know how to distinguish a masculine and a feminine noun in French, you must take this I button here. You will have a distinct idea about Les Adjectifs possessive when I show you the table in this video. And that table is very important to keep in mind. The same thing happens with my, his, her or its. If you want to say my table, it will be ma table because table is feminine singular noun. If you want to say my bird, it will be mon oiseau because oiseau is a singular noun and starting with a vowel. So I have used more in front of it. Her chair will be sa chaise because chaise as a noun is feminine and it is singular. So I have used sa in front of it. His chair will also be translated as sa chaise because always remember the adjective qualifies the nouns and chaise is feminine singular noun. The adjective is always sa, whether it is his or her. Chaise is feminine singular noun. Sa chaise means his chair or her chair. Now, as for the pronouns like nous, vous, il, elle, we have easier list of adjectives. They are notre, nos, votre, vos, leur, leur. The final S is not pronounced. Our table will be notre table. Our tables will be nos tables. Again, the final S is not pronounced. In the same way, their umbrella will be leur parapluie and their umbrellas will be leur parapluie as well. And the final S is not pronounced. If you are serious about learning Les Adjectifs possessive, pause the video and note it down. This table will always help you to use perfect adjective possessive every time without mistake in your own sentences. If you have noted down the table, which I have already explained, and without watching the answers, you have to finish the 10 questions if you really want to learn Les Adjectifs possessive. And it is an indispensable part of this lesson. Now, here are the answers for the questions. Mon livre, my book. Because livre is masculine singular noun. Say maison, her houses, because maison is a plural noun. Leur jardin, because jardin is a singular noun. Ma fleur, my flower, because fleur is a feminine singular noun. Sa carte, because carte is a feminine singular noun. Sa carte, his map, again because carte is a feminine singular noun. Son oiseau, son oiseau, son oiseau, because oiseau is a singular noun starting with a vowel. Notre cuisine, our kitchen. Cuisine is a singular noun. Votre chat, your cat. I have used a formal you which stands for the subject pronoun vous. It is votre. Votre chat, your cat. And ton chat for an informal you, which refers to the subject pronoun tu. I know you must have made some mistakes in your answers. It takes a bit of time to learn Les Adjectifs possessive, but I have to make this video small so that you can use this video anytime, anywhere to revise and to learn as quickly as possible. You may go back a little and watch it again and compare your answers to the table. You will have all your answers cleared if you go through that table very carefully. So revise well the table of adjective possessive. Choose any noun or verbs and make your own sentences. And you may always use present tense, subject pronouns and adjective demonstrative. The links you can find in the description. Learning French grammar was never so fun. Enjoy! Again, if you are really serious about learning French, do subscribe and press the bell button to get the notifications of my upcoming videos. Share the videos with your friends and leave your comments in the comment section and let me know what you think about this. Enjoy learning French and be with my channel. La langue française, c'est très facile. Until next time, au revoir.